Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be just showing few random steps how I make my steak. I know we've seen a couple of those videos, but I just make my well done. But today I'll be making this steak, and the my recipes today, those ingredients I'm gonna be using today are gonna be ginger. I'm gonna be using my onions. I'm gonna be using green onions. I'm gonna be using salt. I'm going to be using paprika. I'm going to be using oil, my nut thyme, and salt. And one of those things I didn't mention is also habanero. You know, most of my cookouts, most of those stuffs I cook, I love using. You know, I love it spicy, so I'll be adding paprika. So one thing I want you to do first is add your salt. Add your salt to your steak. Once you're done adding your salt to your steak, the next thing you want to do, or how you want to do, is add, you know, those little ingredients you have. Also, don't forget to add your oil. Add your oil on both sides. You know, just make that way it doesn't stick to the pan, to your grill. The next thing you want to do is add your paprika. Apply to your steak. Just use your hands to rub it around, then you apply your nor and your thyme. Once all that is done, you want to you for the most part I marinate it for about 2 to 3 hours. So once I'm done marinating, next thing I do is put it on my pan. For this guy, I'm using a sear pan. So but I see some folks who use pan. Make sure it's cooked on both sides for about, I guess, 5 to 5 minutes each. Make sure it's cooked on both sides 5 minutes each. And once you're done with that part of it, you want to, like, you know, apply those ingredients. You want to apply those, you know, those in between. Add green pepper, add green pepper, add a little bit of habanero, and that is what I'm adding right here. You know, I add a little bit of lime also, because I like that lemon taste. So I'm just letting everything steam up together. I'm letting those, you know, those spices get into my steak. And, you know, just take your time, no rush. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. And once it's done, once you're sure it's done, once you're done cooking it for 5 minutes, try to flip the steak in between. Check it frequently, that way it doesn't just stick to your pan. Check it frequently, and once you've gotten to a particular stage, you have to apply a little bit of butter, you know, just to make it juicy a little bit. And, you know, there's this little taste butter does give it. I just added a little bit of liquid lime and liquid lemon. And, you know, most folks will be like, oh, it's time already, but I really like my steak well done. You know, I like it well done, I like it juicy, and that is why you know, just taking my time during this process. Guys, don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit that subscription button and turn on your notification button, so that whenever we push our content out, you literally get it first. So right now, I think it's almost time for us to take the steak off the pan. You see right there, that guy is well done already. Like I said initially, I don't really like, you know, I like my steak well done. I like my steak well done. If you have your concern, put your concerns in the comment section. If there are other better ways, you know, you prefer us, you know, make our steak or make any of our recipes, just let me know. So right now, I reduced the cooker a little bit, and what we're doing right now is just making the steak. You know, let everything suck those juice in. Yeah, in between, I let it burn on each side also, and that is what I'm doing right here. We're almost there, guys. Let me know how you cook your steak. Let me know how you prepare your steak. And one of the main reasons why we're not using our grill outside is because it's cold. That is why I got my sear pan. I'll be dropping the description. I'll be dropping the link as per where I got my set pan. I'll be dropping this description part. Look at my steak right here, looking all good, looking all juicy. Let me slide it up a little bit and let's see what we have in between. That looks so good. I'm probably gonna have some and just fall in bed and just sleep. But yeah, this is how I do my this is how I make my steak. And let's see what happens right now. Try to get my knife, get that steak, and slide that guy, cut that guy into two, and let's see what we have in between. Be surprised about the edges. So you see that guy? Well done. Thanks a lot, guys, for all you do. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to watch more. Thank you.